To create an assignment in Google Calendar or an announcement for your students, you would be on your Google Calendar. You can do this two ways. One way is you can double click on the day that you want to assign your homework. Double click, and once you double click, this page will open for you to create an event. Now the event would just be the title of the assignments. I highly recommend numbering your assignments. This will help keep your gradebook organized and more organized for students also. So the name of your assignment, I would keep it all day. That way it shows up as an all day event for your students. And then the next thing is down here. Just make sure you give it a description and maybe what the assignment is. You can attach documents if you have specific documents that you want to go with that assignment. I always like to include a due date. Normally my assignments are due the following day, but I'll just put it in just in case. Okay, and then all you're going to do is push save. Now you noticed when I opened it up, try it again. When I open it up, the calendar that it says it's under is the actual class that I have it for. If you don't have that, the reason why I have that is because all of these other boxes are unchecked. I just have the class that I want to assign it for. Now normally you would have your default, which is your personal calendar. So if you have your personal calendar on and you want to create an assignment, you notice that the calendar it'll show up on is your personal, and you don't want that. So just make sure you have it assigned under your specific class that you want that assignment or announcement to happen under. Okay, so that's one way you can assign your assignments. Another way that you can do it is, let's say you have a bunch of things turned on, you want your personal and you want to keep it. You can always create an assignment under the actual drop-down menu over here, so to make sure that it goes under that class. So drop-down menu, you can create an event on this calendar only, and the same process. You would give it a title, all day, put your description in of that assignment, and you can even add attachments. Now students have the option to change the colors. Just because you have it in this specific color doesn't mean that the students need to have it in that color either. And I highly recommend students color code maybe specific classes if you're in middle school, or specific subjects if they're using Google Calendar, so they can have all of your math assignments in a specific color, all your English assignments in a specific color, just to get them trained to look at it differently. So that is how you create an assignment in Google Calendar. This will also show up if you're in Google Classroom in the About section. You have two calendars in the About section. You have a Google Calendar that you can look at, and you can view the assignment in Google Classroom. Unfortunately, since you created the assignment in Google Calendar, it will not show up in the Google Classroom calendar if you have students looking at that. However, if they open up the Google Calendar, since you did create it in Google Calendar, they can see the assignment posted up for that day. And that is how you create assignments or announcements in Google Calendar. Thank you.